Okay, I'm trying to do this video here to show once you've taken this piece off by taking the screws out, this has to slide over the top of this piece, which is a little bit, or this little detail that's a little bit wider than back over here. So it doesn't just fit on, like, because it's got to be really snug. So sometimes you gotta like put it down like that with a little rubber mallet, and then the holes, as you can see, once you have it in, you might need to rubber mallet it a little bit to get it lined up. Now the holes are lined up and it's nice and snug to that piece. If you try to put it on with this still on the Denix, the screws will be in the way and it won't actually slide on properly. So once that piece is all secured, now you could take the longer screws that were attached with the kit and put them in and screw it all the way up into the Denix, and this will all be solid in one piece. Now, what I've noticed when installing my kit is that you don't want to tighten this screw all the way up first, because we wanted to make sure that those holes were in the middle here so that it didn't take away that detail when you're looking at it. And it might be like 1/100th of off, 100th off. But if you get that started, then you can just barely tap it in a little bit to be able to get that to screw in. But it's manageable. It's not even a big deal. Like it'll screw both. And then once you get that started with both screws, you should be able to tighten it all in, and it'll be tight, secure, and no gap at all here at the top. So it might require a little bit of a rubber mallet, but that's the way to get this piece secured, and then it'll attach all in. Hope this is helpful.